Hi, and welcome back to Jeff and Joe's Puerto Rican Kitchen, where we show you how to make easy, authentic Puerto Rican recipes.
For those of you closely following our channel, you've probably noticed that we've been absent for the last few weeks. That's because we've been making some pretty big life changes. So we decided to make a quick video to let you guys know what we've been up to.
Now, as you've probably noticed, we're in a different kitchen. Indeed, we're in a different state. Over the last couple of weeks, we've been quitting our respective lawyer jobs and moving down to Orlando, Florida.
Now, New York was great to us, and we already miss our friends and our colleagues back there. But we wanted to do something different with our lives. We started this YouTube channel because we wanted to share our love and passion for Puerto Rican food. And rather than satisfying our appetite for Puerto Rican food, this channel has made us realize all the more how much we love Puerto Rican food. And most importantly, how much we love sharing this amazing cuisine with others.
That's right. Over the course of this channel, our passion for Puerto Rican food has only grown. And now we've decided to take the leap and pursue that passion full time. It's a big change, but we're super excited about it.
Now, the channel will continue to be a big part of our plans, but we've also decided to open a restaurant here in Orlando, Florida. As you've probably heard in the channel, my grandpa and great-grandpa both ran restaurants in my hometown of Macao, Puerto Rico. So we decided to get back in the family's business. For the next year, we're going to be developing and opening a Puerto Rican restaurant here in Orlando. And we still have lots of decisions that we need to be made, but we'll keep you updated from time to time.
Now, in addition to our big life changes, we're also going to be making some changes to the channel based on feedback we've heard from you guys, the viewers. First, we're going to be taking our introductions and shortening them. A lot of people have been saying that they want us to get to the recipes, so rather than having a longer intro, we're going to get right into the recipe and get into the kitchen to show you guys how to make the food.
And while the cooking videos will be mostly focused on the recipes, we're going to expand the content that we cover in our channel. So for example, we're going to be bringing guests to talk about the health benefits of certain Puerto Rican foods and how you can take advantage of it.
Now, obviously none of these changes are set in stone, and we'd love to get your guys' feedback on it. So drop a comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, what you like, what you don't like, how we can make this channel better.
And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. We need your help spreading our love and passion for Puerto Rican food.